using a small mini pry bar or a pick, reach down to this tab right here underneath the lip of the fender, push it towards the fender, grab your light and pull it out. Pull the light out sideways and release this tab from behind the grill. Go ahead and disconnect your lights. You want to lift up on this little tab and separate the oval connector here. So just push up on that, wiggle the connector. Line up your connector, press it in, and you'll hear it and feel it click into place. So once you have this connected, we want to disconnect and remove this bulb. Next, insert the side tab behind the grill. Push the headlamp back and in. You hear it clip in. And then go ahead and install the bulb into the back of the light.